Good morning students. Welcome to online teaching class. Today's topic is birds. How birds looks. Different kinds of birds have different looks. Some are small, some are large. Some have long tail, some have short tail. Some are colorful and some are plain. Name of some common birds. Peacock. It is a very beautiful bird. Peacock is the national bird of India. Parrot. It is green in color. The color of its beak is red. It loves to eat chili and guava. It loves to copy people's voice and keep making a lot of noise. Sparrow. It is mostly found near our houses. It is of small size. It has a tiny beak. Tailor bird. Its beak is very special. It uses it like a needle. It uses it in stitching leaves to make its nest. Crow. It is black in color. It is a very clever bird and it makes the sound of cow cow. Pigeon. It has small feet and a beak. It loves to eat seeds. Ostrich. It cannot fly, but it can run very fast. Owl. This bird can see only at night. Woodpecker. It is very beautiful and colorful bird. It makes holes in the trunk of the trees with its beak. Names of some water birds. Crane. Kingfisher. Penguin. Swan. Duck. Bird lives in the nest. Parts of birds. Beak. It is used to eat food. Claws. It is used to grab the branch of a tree. Wings. It helps the bird to fly. Tail. It helps the bird to balance weight and gives direction when it flies. Birds that cannot fly. Penguin, ostrich, hen. Hen can fly a little bit, but it cannot fly in the sky like other birds. Which bird can see only at night? Owl. Which bird can see only at night? Owl. Which bird is the national bird of India? Peacock. Which bird is the national bird of India? Peacock. Which bird can talk like us or copy our voice? Parrot. Parrot. Which bird can talk like us or copy our voice? Parrot. Thank you. Have a nice day.